Hello everyone and welcome to another Lunch and Learn. My name is Agustin Sanchez and I work at the Downtown Library. And today I want to talk to you guys about some resources that can help you now that it's time to go back to school. The library website has a lot of resources for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of them. Okay, so let me show you how to find these resources. The first thing you need to do is go to the library website. That's going to be chpl.org. Once you're in the library website, you go to Services, and you're going to find a column that says Research Support, and you're going to click on the first thing, which is Research Databases. And you're going to find these resources right here where it says by area of interest, and you're going to click on Homework Help. So Homework Help has 21 databases that can help you with different types of assignments that you might get from your school. Let's explore some of them. ABC Mouse. Explore a wide range of fun educational activities for children 2 years and up. Culturegrams. Explore. Maps. Find out about different cultures. Listen to the national anthem of the culture. Find out about the diet. Find out about arts, recreation, holidays, and more. Explora. Explore different topics like arts, music, biographies, health. Find articles and essays on different topics. FactSite. Also a great source for articles and essays on different topics. Homework Help Now. Get live tutoring for your classes. Master File Premier. Also find journals, find articles and essays that would help you with your homework. Novelis K8+. You're writing a book report? Find reviews and articles about that book. Opposing viewpoints in context. Find an issue and look at both sides of the issue. Points of view, also different articles or different topics. Primary search. Find full text articles from more than 100 magazines. Science Reference Center. Also from Explora, find different articles with science-related topics. Very short introductions. If you want to start finding out something about a subject, you can start with a very short introduction to get a general idea. World Book Advance. Access Encyclopedia, atlases. World Book Kids. Access those encyclopedia, but kids-friendly version. And also, Spanish speakers can access the World Book Encyclopedia in Spanish. A note for educators, some of these websites like Biography in Context and Opposing Viewpoints have the ability to let you share through Google Classroom if that's something that you do in class. One more thing before I go. Keep an eye out for our next Lunch and Learn, where Keith Armour is going to talk about Homework Help Now more in depth. As you can see, there's a lot of resources in our website for help with your homework. I hope you take advantage of that, and you can catch us on the next Lunch and Learn.